In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share dashboards in Smartsheet. Let's start by getting into your Smartsheet account and opening the dashboard you want to share. From the Home tab, locate the dashboard and open it so you can see the live widgets, charts and metrics you plan to distribute. Having the dashboard open ensures you're sharing exactly the right content. Look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is your hub for controlling who can see the dashboard and what they can do with it. In the Invite field, type the email addresses of the people you want to include. For visibility without risk, set their permission level to Viewer. Viewer access lets stakeholders stay informed while preventing them from changing the underlying data or layout. Take a moment to double-check addresses so the right people get access. Before sending, review the sharing options. Decide whether viewers should be allowed to download or print the dashboard. If you're sharing sensitive summaries, you might want to turn those off. Keep editing disabled to protect the dashboard structure and data sources. When everything looks correct, confirm your access settings. Go ahead and click Share or Send. Recipients will receive an email with a direct link to the dashboard, and depending on your organization's settings, they may be prompted to sign in to view. If someone doesn't see the invite right away, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. From that point on, they'll always see the latest, real-time information reflected on the dashboard. Quick note: you'll find the official Smartsheet website link and the app download link at the very top of the description for easy access if you need to sign in on the web or install the app. If you need a broader audience or a link that's easy to share without individual invites, use Publish. Click File, then Publish, and enable the Publish option that fits your needs, such as a public read-only link. Copy that link and share it wherever it needs to go. Remember, publishing can make the dashboard accessible to anyone with the link, so use it when you're comfortable with wider visibility. Anytime you need to adjust who can view, reopen the Share menu. You can remove people who no longer need access or change permission levels to keep your audience limited and appropriate. A quick periodic review helps ensure your dashboard remains secure and relevant. That's it. Sharing dashboards in Smartsheet with viewer access keeps stakeholders informed without risking changes to your data. Thanks for watching.